Hi everyone, we're gonna do a rundown on the NQ setup that we took today morning. We were able to catch the low from the weekly open gap. I'm gonna give a rundown to everyone on the setup. They'll go from there. To start with, the setup that we took was from the idea of the weekly open gap. If you notice to the left side, there was a weekly open gap after the huge dip that happened last week. Price opened up with a gap up, and this was the closing candle of the previous week, and this was the opening candle of this week. So there was a gap that was formed in price action. So I was having my eyes in that particular area. I was expecting market to come to that particular area and give us a correction. Like I was looking to see what was the point that was still evident when I came to the market to trade today. This particular swing low that was formed 645 prior to in New York Open, we had the swing low that was formed. I was waiting for price to react and grab liquidity that was resting below this lows. And upon opening, we can see that we got a straight candle, like a huge momentum to the downside. And we pushed price below this particular low, and we reacted into our gap that was formed upon opening. And I was waiting for more confirmations to place myself in a long position or a buy position from here. So this was the move that happened in a 1 minute time frame. So you see that this was the last leg that pushed price to that particular gap that was formed. And if you look close in this particular leg, you have a fair value gap that was formed when price pushed to the downside. I was waiting for it to get inverted. We got that inversion right here. And this was the entry that we took, and we were initially targeting the opening high as well as this equal highs, but those were resting above this particular area. This equal highs was also one of our target, and that's if you look at a 1 to 6.8 for a trade. I did the trades in my top stop accounts. These are my executions.